This video I'm going to show you how to run options on OpenSea. So as you know, if you want to sell NFT, the best way to start actually just run options because that will get more exposure than you just list for sale. However, it's a little bit complicated to explain, so I decided to do this video, tell you step by step. If you don't understand it, you can just watch over again. Just subscribe my channels and also bookmark my channel so you always can go back to watch that again and until you know how. Or you also can email me and I offer one-on-one consultation. My email address is dubwoman@gmail.com. Contact me. Before I started, please subscribe my channel, Giovanna Sun. I have my same name as my handle. I go to the page and I click sell, and you scroll down for time option, pick that. And then you can choose whether you want to set to highest bidders or set like a declining price. Selling with a declining price is another word, Dutch option. I prefer in this way. I'm going to explain why I like this way better later this video. Starting price means the price to start the option. Ending price, that's the price when option ended. That's the price you get. Dutch, sell with a declining price. If you like me, you don't like to accept WETH. You want to accept only Ethereum or other crypto. I also accept USDC and the app coin. It's easier if you start with the Dutch sell. You can start with a simple step. Let's learn more. When you click time option, so there is a blue text, learn more. That will give you a little bit idea how OpenSea they explain what is a time option. Time option, you can choose number 1, sell to the highest bidder. The highest bid will win at the end. Number 2, sell with a declining price. The price falls until someone purchases the item. So let's take a closer look if you can make some choice to sell your NFTs. By default, if you choose the Dutch option, sell with a declining price, you can accept Ethereum. However, some people they may have other choice, or they want to reserve NFTs at 1 ETH price, means only collectors who has at least 1 Ethereum in their wallet, they can reserve this option. They can reserve the price. They offer that price to you. If you choose sell to highest bidder, this option finish above 1 ETH with OpenSea paying the gas fee in the process. If the option finishes below 1 ETH, it's up to the seller to accept the highest offer. Means this is a tricky part, okay? Means if the price is below 1 ETH and you accept the offer, and then you have to pay the gas fee for whoever want to collect your NFT. So this is why in the past few years, I pay at least a 10,000 gas fee for all my transactions. I always think, okay, miner actually they make more money than me. So there are like two choices. It really depends. And the other thing is it also depends on the exchange place you use. I know some crypto exchange, actually you can swipe ETH to WETH and WETH to ETH easier. However, because I use a different wallet, so that's not my case. So perhaps if you have a different stories, I'm not always right because it always depends. You can think about the best solution and use my case study as reference and example. Key takeaway. If you want to run a long time option, you can choose a Dutch option because it gives you more flexibility. You can actually manually adjust those price even every days until you feel more comfortable that you think that the price will get more sell. Remember, when you accept bids and those bids they are Ethereum, it's almost always easier to transfer that off. Not with, it's Ethereum, it's an ETH. You also need to remember what type of wallet do you use. Is that compatible without the crypto exchange you use? So you can save more service fee. You don't need to pay like a back and forth to swipe WETH to ETH and ETH to WETH. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe with your love. I'm also really open for all type of a question and challenge. Let me know if you agree or disagree and what is your experience like. Email me or leave a comment in below. Dubwoman@gmail.com. You can always email me. This video just for educational purpose only, not financial, legal, or investment advice. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.